A Leawood, Kansas couple that's been stuck at home has built a new home. It's just really tiny. Alan Schultz reports they're using their creation to help others.
He came home and I said, I've got this great idea.
Just on the market, this mid-century modern design.
A basement, garage.
It's a 3-bed, 1-bath, office area and game room.
Furnace room, laundry room.
And it's fully electrical at 1/12 the size.
We had never done anything like this before.
Could have fooled me. This mini house is not only completely to scale with family pictures, a mini dollhouse inside the mini house. It's even got KC barbecue on the grill. They say finishing the project kept thoughts of the pandemic at bay.
And it was just a great diversion.
The family posting pictures of the mini house on Instagram with a link to make a small donation to the Alzheimer's Foundation.
We can take what we created and bring awareness to the Alzheimer's Foundation.
The bathroom, real tile, individual cut floor panels grouted in the entryway, and custom designed miniatures from
Israel, Spain, Germany.
It's a dream house, Annie says, that's full of memories.
Every single one of our family members in the house.
It was challenging figuring it out.
We tried to make it as realistic as possible.
A simple way to help a charity and close the door on the pandemic. In Leawood, Alan Schultz, KMBC 9 News.
Isn't that something? Again, that was Alan Schultz reporting. Final check of the forecast next.